Stop! One spoonful could crush cravings and power immunity. Discover the cheesy green secret. Flashback. Winter nights in Grandma's kitchen. She swapped potatoes for snowy cauliflower, keeping Dad's blood sugar calm. Yet the bowl tasted like pure comfort. Ready? Grab 2 cups broccoli florets, 1 cup cauliflower chunks, 1 diced onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 3 cups low-sodium veggie broth, 1 cup milk, a dash of smoked paprika, 2 cups sharp cheddar, and a cheeky pinch of turmeric for that rich golden color and anti-inflammation perks. Sauté onion and garlic till golden. Tension builds as those aromas rise. Add cauliflower, caramelize. Those brown edges unlock nutty sweetness. Broccoli cannonballs next. Splash in broth, cover, simmer 8 minutes. Surprise! Cruciferous veggies unleash sulforaphane, a detox superhero potatoes lack. Blend half the pot smooth, return for contrasting bites, stir in milk, paprika, then cheddar. Watch shreds melt into velvet, speckled by vibrant green confetti. Taste. Earthy, creamy, secretly low carb. Love this creamy hack? Tap like, subscribe, and text the link to a friend. Healthy comfort deserves company.